Hello, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker. Today we're visiting a studio that's close to Taipei 101, and there's a double bed, a private bathroom, a very amazing bathtub, and a kitchen for you to cook. And let's go check it out. Alright, so this is the gate. You walk into this amazing space. Yeah, you'll see on our left is the living area and the bathroom, and in front of us is the hangers and shoe shelf. On our right is the bed and the kitchen area and dining area. Let's go from this side first. So also there's a queen size double bed, very clean and cozy, and this you can see there's a brick walls, and the decoration color is green. 2 clocks. Right here is the dining table for 2 to 3, and big window and kitchen. You can make your meal. And filter water, coffee maker, freeze, and fridge. From this angle, right here is the shelves. And over here is the living area, living room. A TV with a Netflix and a cozy couch and a rug. Right here is a very antique spotlight. I think it is what it is. And here is the open wardrobe over here and a mirror. Here some planting decoration, AC. Here's the bathroom. Also Japanese style with this rock or stones. Amazing bathtub. Here washer and a window. Big mirror. Yeah. Here's toilets. Yeah, that's it for this studio. Thank you.